The Profoto B1 X has taken our industry by storm. It is an amazing light. It lets you go on location and have studio quality light wherever you go in a really small, compact kind of unit. And let me tell you what, it is just amazing, and I want to show you how to use it. You're going to be able to get up and running with it immediately. And because it's so small and so lightweight, you're going to want to take it on location. And after we learn all the classroom stuff, that's exactly what we're doing. We're going to go on location. We're going to do a safari fashion shoot. You're going to see the whole thing from start to finish. And at the end, I'm going to give you a quick start guide so you can come back at any time and quickly see, okay, here's how I set it up. Here's how I use it, and you can start making great pictures on location, but you can have studio quality light anywhere you go. So come check out my new class on the Profoto B1 X, and it's only here at KelbyOne.